Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Lenovo Yoga 7 has a cracked screen, you're not alone. This kind of damage can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. When the screen is cracked, it distorts the display, making it difficult to use your device effectively. If left unaddressed, this issue can worsen, potentially leading to internal damage or a complete screen failure. To successfully replace the LCD cover, you will need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover specifically for the Lenovo Yoga 7. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the base of the laptop. Take your time with this step, as applying too much force can cause further damage. Once you've created a small gap, insert the plastic opening tool carefully to pry the screen open. As you do this, be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. Next, locate the damaged LCD cover, it will likely be visibly cracked. There are usually a few screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking note of their size and type for reinstallation. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect any cables attached to the LCD cover, being careful not to tug too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the hinges and connectors. Reconnect the cables and secure the cover with the screws you previously removed. Be sure to apply the right amount of force to avoid stripping the screws. After everything is secure, gently press the screen back into the base of the laptop, ensuring it snaps into place. Power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. If your screen looks clear and responsive, you have successfully replaced the LCD cover. To prevent future incidents, consider using a protective case or a screen protector, and always handle your device with care. Remember that accidents can happen, so being cautious is key to maintaining your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.